Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about Python packages. These help us to write modular code by organizing code into packages and modules, and it's easier to maintain debug, as well as if you see this is a more structural approach, so which will help us to understand code easily and navigate in between the code. So let's start with creating Python package. So right click on this folder, then new and Python package, and here you can give the package name. I will give demo_2 and enter. And now within this Python package you can see we have the under init.py file. Now let's see how it is helping us to write modular code. So here I have multiple files, basically two functions I have written, one to export data, another to import the data. Let's open this import data function. So here this function is calling complete import, which is in another file called import support. So like this I have modularized this code, and similarly for export, if you open this export, again this one is also calling complete export from another file. Now I don't want user to use these functions from this export file or import file directly. Instead of that, they can use it from demo package. For that, if I'll go to this under init.py, here I have imported both of these functions, and in under all I have mentioned both the function name. So that if somebody wanted to import everything from this demo package, they will get only these two functions. Now let's look into the main.py. So here from demo import like this import data. Now this looks nicer and cleaner, and if you run this code, I can see import started, in progress, completed, and okay, none is getting because it's not returning anything. So I can remove this print part. Let me remove it, and let's rerun this code, and this time it's looking a little bit better. Now similarly, if I wanted to export something, so in that case I just have to change it from import to export, and then I can call the export function. So let's run this now, and export started, in progress, and completed. Now if user wanted to import everything from this demo package, then from demo import star. Now if I'll remove one of these, let's remove this export data, and then if I'll go here, you can see it's saying it's not here. I run this code, I will get the error because within that under init file I have not mentioned as a part of my import star, export is not there. So let me add this export data function also here. Let's save this one, and if I'll go to the main.py, run it, now it's working fine. So thanks for watching.